This is definitely a must-have when we have many guests at home. Don't use perforated suction cups to attach to the wall. It's very strong. We can put the ingredients we usually prepare directly on top, so that it won't be messed up by colorful noodles. The sides of this plate are curved, so the suction cup will not fall off. When my xiang changes the position, there is no adhesive surface left on the wall. The suction is still very strong, and there is no need for those that will fall off anyway. The price is not expensive and the transportation is quite a lot. Every house can have one. He said that he wants to eat hot and sour potato shreds now. I arranged it for him. The 4, 6. And for 6 I cut here are pretty good, right? There aren't many. Let's just put on this hand protector and continue working without fear of hurting our hands. When we're done, we can pass them out by the way. The whole process is neat and tidy. You can insert coarse and fine filaments and switch between them at will. The cutter head also has a special storage place, so you don't have to worry about losing it. It's really suitable for people like me who are not good at knife skills. Don't add any more. Don't underestimate this little thing. He made so many things. There are many accessories in it. For example, if you install this egg whisk or the one for single-parent separation, you can separate eggs. Then you just close the lid and make a meal of egg white cream. Isn't this a lot easier than doing it by hand? There is a blade inside, and then you can stir the meat stuffing and quickly chop the meat into pieces. It becomes minced meat. It is very efficient. You can also use it when eating hot pot at home or if you use a lot of minced garlic. Just chew the minced garlic a few times and it will be ready. I also found that the vegetable basket he brought can be used to wash it if you don't want your hands to splash with water in winter. Take some fruit, chew it a few times. Take it out and see how many impurities are washed out. The set has a fresh keeping lid, so you can store it in the refrigerator.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.